Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A delicious sweet and sour sauce with a strong, tangy flavor. I grew up on Carl's Jr. Chicken Stars and sweet and sour sauce, so I was excited to try this popular sauce. Unfortunately, it was too sweet for my chicken and it gained its place at the back of the pack.
Let's help you make your mark.
New Chick-Fil-A items, like the mac cheese and the hash brown scramble bowl, are two of the most popular things on their menu. Other good Chick-fil-A foods include the Chick-fil-A Deluxe Chicken Sandwich, chick-en strips, and their waffle potato fries, especially when you dip them in their famous sauces.
Let's help you make your mark.
Retail sales of the 16-ounce bottled sauces start at $3.49, and with every retail purchase of a bottled sauce, 100% of Chick-fil-A, Inc. profits will be donated to the Chick-fil-A Remarkable Futures Scholarship Initiative, which will award $17 million in scholarships to 6,700 restaurant team members this year.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.